Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Wix to make a portfolio website. So firstly, go to wix.com. So go to the official website, wix.com. And then if you already have an account, click on login and log into your account, or else click on get started. And then you can just sign up using your Google credentials or any other account details and just log into your account. So log into your account, or you can use your Google or Facebook credential to sign up. That's fine. So just log into your account. So once you've logged in here, so on your dashboard here, what we're going to do, click on this create new site option here, which is in the top right, click on it. So click on create new site, and then you'll get to this screen here. So here you can use AI to help you create, or else you can just click without setup without chat. So we can manually create this site. So click on setup without chat. And then here you can select what you want to, what type of website. So you can type in portfolio or simply select portfolio from the list and hit on continue. Okay, so click on portfolio and then click on continue, and this will now prepare your dashboard. So once your dashboard loads here, so here it's gonna ask you, so you can give a name for your website. So what is this for? So I can, let's say like portfolio. You can just give any name to your website, hit on continue, and then you can choose to answer these questions, or you can come back to this later. You can just skip and then come back to this later. Continue to dashboard and then go to your dashboard. So once you're on your dashboard here, what we're going to do next is go to your design your site here. There is a link called design site option here. Click on it to go to your website designer. So this is where we're going to design our website. And then here you have two options. So you can either design one from scratch, or you can design one with the help of AI, or you can simply use the template. I would prefer the easiest option here is like to use a template. So I'm going to just click on pick a template, and then once you click on it, from this choose the best templates that suits your niche. Okay, so based on your niche you will have a lot of like templates options here, so you can simply choose one. Okay, so for example, for my websites or for my portfolio, I'll just choose probably the artist. So click on a template. So you can either view it if you just want to see the template, or if you want to use it and then as your website portfolio for it, you can click on the edit option. So click on the edit option. So there you go. So once you're on the editor here, so all you have to do now is just edit this and customize this portfolio with your details. Okay, so for example, I want to change the name here. So just simply hover your mouse over near to the name and click on quick edit, and then here change the name. So from here I'm going to do is simply type in my name, so whatever that I want to put in. Okay, put in, and then I can format it. All right, as you can see, it changes now. Okay, so that's done. And then the same thing with other details here. So if you want to change anything here, simply click on it, and then you'll be able to change it. You'll be edit the text. And if you want to move any like positions or anything like that, you can simply click on the item and then click and drag it wherever you want to move it to. That's how you move around. Okay, and if you want to choose like a change a photo or background or something like that, so for example here I'm going to like, there's a background here which I might change it. So if you click on the item, you'll see change background option. Click on the change background, and then you can either change one from your image, you can upload your own image. Click on it and then upload your own image and change it. So you can fully customize this to suit your needs. And once you're done with creating your website, your portfolio, it's done. What you're going to do, you can simply click on the preview option here to see a quick preview of your website. And if you're fully satisfied with it, click on publish, and then here you can either use the free domain from Wix, which is your default one here, or if you have a customized domain, you can select the second option here and then click on save and continue, and then complete the publishing. If you found the video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe.